up, YouTube? I'm back in the still standing garage. It's time to block sand the driver's side. The passenger side is ready to go. Gotta hit the hardtop now on the driver's side and hit that door that's over there. Gotta get those ready. Hopefully by the end of this video I start working on the jams already and get all this cleaned up, get all that rust off of there on here, get these ready for paint, get all that nice and done on both sides, and then hopefully get this in here ready to go too. I want to take off these hinges. That's the plan. Take off these hinges, clean them up, paint them. I probably won't do it on this video, but I'll probably take them off in this video. And I do want to take pictures of how they're bolted on there, so that way when I try to put them back on and try to line up the hood, it's a little bit easier for me. But if it's not, you know, it is what it is. I might have to figure it out then. But yeah, so hopefully we get that done by the end of this video. Let's go. Don't forget to hit that description link for the Still Standing store. Go ahead and get you some merch on the Still Standing garage. Check it out. Thank you for the support, guys. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, so it's completely blocked down. It looks like the hardtop's gonna need some more love. All these black spots, I might have to put a skim coat of glaze there. There's this one here, over there. It's minor. It looks worse on camera, but it looks pretty good. Like, I can take care of all these with a skim coat of glaze right here, right there. So I'm gonna scuff these areas up, and I'm gonna go ahead and spread a nice thin coat of that glaze, that new glaze that I got from U-Paul, I think is what it's called. Yeah, so more areas here, a couple areas here that looks like I missed on the first round, but that's the whole point of this, blocking it, finding those little areas, little imperfections, and taking care of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. One thing is that I had to make this little steps tool, I guess, where I use it to step on it, so that way I could reach the hard top. I wouldn't mess up my shoulders as bad, because this step stool here is too high. The one I got from Harbor Freight, it's too high. Check this out. This is a piece my brother found from at my mom's house when I used to collect all the pieces for the Regal. When I used to go to the junkyard and just whatever I saw that it was an extra piece, I would just buy it. Now the G-bodies are making a comeback, and everybody's selling all this stuff for like pretty much for like gold and crap. That crap is expensive. Like all those header panels there, those are extra from the Regal. But I bought them because I saw them there. I was like, I'm just gonna get it, and I got them. I don't even remember how much I paid for them, but it was real cheap. Now people want like 250 or 300 for those header panels. It's crazy. G-body's making a comeback. G-body or nobody. So let me get that glaze going. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up, and then start spreading. Let's go. So before I start mixing, I wanted to show you guys all the low spots that I identified that I'm gonna apply some glaze on. So wherever the tape's at, that's where I'm gonna put glaze. I already sanded it down with 180 grit, all those little spots. So I'm gonna hit them up. And what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna hit the hard top with 2 or 3 more coats of that high build primer after I block all the glaze down. So let's go ahead and start mixing it and applying it. Let's go. it's all blocked down with 220. I hit all the spots with 180 first, 180 grits just to knock them down a little bit, make it a little bit faster for myself. Then I hit it with 220. That's where it's at right now. Look at all this. It's a lot. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna vacuum it all up and then start masking everything off and then start spraying that primer. Let's go. Alright, so before I can spray some of that primer, I gotta make sure I recharge this canister of desiccant beads. It's already pink, it's saturated, so I need to get them back to blue for normal desiccant. I don't want any moisture in my primer when I spray it right now. I don't want to cause any more problems, so I'm not gonna show you guys that, but check out that video if you guys haven't seen it. I'm gonna put the card up there on this video, so check it out. I'll bring you guys back on when it's already blue and I'm about to put them back in the container. Let's go. Alright, so they're out of the oven already. This kind of slowed me down on today's activities. I was trying to get it all primered, but I am gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna get it primered, but let's put these desiccant beads back in here. Alright, so I already wiped everything down. It's already cleaned off and it's already tacked off. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start mixing up the high-tech high-build primer. I'm gonna start mixing that up right now. The last time I put this one away, I put the 2.0 tip already in it. So we're going to spray it with 2.0. Last time I sprayed it with the 1.7 tip. It sprayed out pretty good, but I want to see what the 2.0 will do because the tech sheet does say, for the high tech, it does say that you could do 1.7 to 2.2. So I'd rather be in the middle than be at the lowest and see how smooth it lays out. I don't want to thin it out at all. So I'm going to lay about 2 to 3 coats. So I'm going to start mixing that up right now and start getting it going. Let's go. Alright YouTube, so I sprayed 2 coats of the primer, the high build primer. Came out really good. I really like that 2.0 tip with the 26 PSI. Came out real smooth. You can see that texture. I should have showed you guys the texture of the last time I sprayed this, but it's a lot better. It looks real good. I really like it. And this little contraption that I made actually helped me out to reach the middle a lot better than I did the times before. I know on camera it looks like there's a big ass stripe right there, but I mean there is, but it's not that bad. Looks real good. It's gonna block out. Everything looks pretty good. I really like it. And I almost forgot about the passenger door. When I laid the glaze here, there was a piece here that I laid glaze and I blocked it out, and I went through to the epoxy and the body filler that was underneath. And good thing I remember, I sprayed 2 coats in this little area too. I'm gonna block that out too. So I'm getting it done. It's moving along. Progress is progress. I need to stop saying in the intro the things that obviously I want to get done during the week on the video and what's going to be uploaded, because today I didn't even get to hit the jambs or the hinges. I didn't even get to block the driver's side. The whole driver's side still needs to be blocked. I'll knock that out and keep going from there. But the hardtop did slow me down a little bit, and also the desiccant bead container that I needed to recharge again. I didn't want to risk it and have moisture in my primer. Nobody wants that. I don't want that. So yeah, now I gotta clean up the gun. Finish cleaning it up. Took it all apart. It's ready to go. Just gotta clean it up, get that going. But yeah, guys, if you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit the comments. Let me know what you guys think of my progress here. I'm doing it every week. Every week I post on Fridays what I got done during the week, and it is what it is. Let's go. Slow motion is better than no motion.